din.
Bannock.
Not Bannock. This is flour. May I can naman yung pakisalti. Flour. Open mo. Open mo. 400.
400.
That's how. May open on. Okay, wait. Baking powder.
Baking powder. How many spoons?
I don't know. You just put how much you think needed. That's not a spoon.
Oh, fork.
Stir it.
Stir it.
Lard.
And lard.
Lard. Crumble it.
Crumble it. It should look like this.
Good. Freedom's watching too. I need a little bit more flour.
A little bit more flour.
And water. Warm water.
Warm water. Warm. It has to be warm. Mix it up. Oh. It should look like a dough now.
Yeah, if it's so sticky, put more flour.
Put more flour.
Sticky.
It's sticky. If it's sticky, put some flour.
There.
There. Now you have your bannock. Not done yet. Put it in a pot. Pan. Make sure there's lard on the pan.
Oh yeah, it's
Under the bannock dough. Put some lard around the pan. On the pan too, or it will stick or something like that. Make sure put some fork pieces. Cut it in.
Fork pieces.
Whatever fork.
Holes. Yeah, I don't know.
And some. And there you have your bannock now. Put it in the oven.
Then it'll be cooked.
Then it will be cooked when you pick it up.
Okay. And then you take it out. Right?
You take it out. It's finished. It should look like this. Nothing slimy or dough. If it's like that, that means you put too much.
You can put this here too.
And you can put lard on the bread too.
It's not.
Bannock. It will make it more tastier. That's it.
We're done.
We're done. If it's not like this, you made a mistake. So watch over the video again. It should look like this. Steamy. Good. But it's hot. Okay. I'm gonna replay it and put slow motion.